So, na-realize ba natin na marami sa atin living a life in bitterness? No? So, well, it's not only about relationships, but also about life, no? Marami sa atin, laging kulang ang finances, laging stressful ang trabaho, dagdag family, no? Dahil syempre kulang nga ang pera, tapos so life is not good. And nakakadagdag pa dito is that we are mostly, most of the time, sa background yung bitterness, nasa background yung bakit ganito ang buhay, bakit niya ako iniwan. Syempre that's with the relationship, bakit siya nag-cheat, yung mga ganyan, di ba? So nagkakaroon ng bitterness na lahat ng lalaki mga cheater, lahat ng babae mga cheater. Pag wala kang pera, iiwan ka ng mga babae. So there's a lot of this bitterness going on that it's not actually healthy. Oh yeah, nakaka-bitter. Paano? Kasi bakit may mga maiingay na motor, di ba? Disrupts the peace. So anyway, bitterness is never good for anybody, guys. There's also, I mean, challenge din sa akin yan, ano? I mean, I'm at this point in time where hindi na mga challenges and may mga personal problems that have happened that mahirap ilabas sa utak. So what happens is laging nakaupo or laging they're paying rent. Ibig sabihin they're in your mind, and pag nawala ka ng activity, naiisip mo, naalala mo yung girlfriend mo, naalala mo yung boyfriend mo, naalala mo na delikado ka na dahil malapit na yung notice of disconnection. Worry mo kung kailan ka mawawala ng internet. So anyway, guys, that's fact of life, no? Na life is really meant to be difficult for the large majority of us. So I'm not saying na kalimutan natin mga problema or whatever, because that's unrealistic. But the thing is, pag-isipan natin yung past natin, and that's where I am right now, na talaga nag-iisip ako, no? Because when you are at a low point in life, wala kang ibang magawa minsan kundi pag-isipan eh. And thing is, kakangawit. Thing is, pag-aralan natin what decisions led me to this. Because we make a lot of decisions na if we look at it, iisipin natin, alam kong bago ko pagawin yung decision, medyo alanganin na ako or medyo hindi na maganda yung, you know. But the thing is, a lot of us actually make decisions based on emotion, based on what is currently happening to us, no? So sabi nga nila, do not make a permanent decision during an impermanent situation, an impermanent negative situation. Because when we make decisions out of our emotions, alam mo yun, yung knee-jerk reaction, mga ganyan, and we lose our self-control, we lose our, ano ba to? In short, we make bad decisions because we are emotional at one point. So maraming mga bad decisions na nangyayari yung ganun eh. Even in, kala natin maganda yung decision, better for us, better for our future, mga ganyan-ganyan, pero hindi natin masyado na pag-isipan. Mga sexual decisions that, oh, pogi niya, ganda niya, type ko siya, type niya ako, let's go, di ba? May mga ganyan eh. Tapos later on, you know, may mga repercussions because of that. May relasyon pala siya or may relasyon ka pala, and sira mo yung relasyon na gano'n. Not only that, mahirap din maging risky because marami ngayon may mga may sakit like HIV, kung ano-anong mga sexually transmitted diseases, and may mga bata na meron na nga, nangyayari sa kanila yon, no? Napapasa na. So that's just some of the result or repercussions na a bad decision papagbayaran mo pang habang buhay. So yun na guys, let's be better at making decisions. Let's analyze first before we do something that hindi na nating mababawi. An action, a harsh word, pag nagsalita tayo to our loved ones ng masakit and hindi na natin mabawi, no? So maraming beses yung ganyan because of emotional knee-jerk reaction na, you know, and then later on hindi na natin mabawi. The relationship is damaged already because nakapagsalita tayo ng hindi maganda, nakapag-decide tayo ng hindi maganda yung moment of weakness, di ba? Thing is, alam natin pag may moment of weakness eh, di ba? So the thing is, number one, avoid those potential moments of weakness. May isip na natin, delikado itong pupuntahan ko, I will be exposed to temptation, or medyo alanganin ako dito sa business deal na to or sa kausap na ito, pero maganda yung sinasabi niyang mga results or whatever, di ba? So, mangungutang ka ngayon para magawa yung business, di ba? So there's a lot of actually alam na natin yun eh, but the thing is minsan we get too greedy or nagpapadala tayo sa bugso ng damdamin, whether in anger, in greed, or in lust, or you know, I've been there, done that guys. I mean, at my age, marami na akong napagdaanan. I've made a lot of really bad decisions that, kung tutusin, sabihin na natin, yes, may regret, diba? But we go through those experiences. Everybody goes through it, and the sad thing is, if we just alam mo yon, pinabayaan lang natin and we don't learn from it, there has to be the humility in ourselves that, okay, I made a bad decision, I will not do this anymore. Or even before we make a bad decision, alam na natin when we're about to do a bad decision eh, diba? So be aware always at times. Hindi yung puro feeling lang, hindi yung puro oh, he offended me, so sasaksakin ko siya. I mean, let's say gano'n, diba? That's a little bit extreme, but the thing is, may nangyayaring ganyan, di ba? The thing is, sira yung buhay, like, ano pa ba? Road rage, di ba? Yung mga ganyan, keep ka lang, keep cool ka lang. Always keep your mind in check. When you are about to make a major decision in your life, pag-isipan mong maigi. Because there are just some things that you cannot go back to. Diba? Yan ang isipin natin. Is what I'm going to lose here worth what I'm going to get for this temporary thing? Diba? Dami kasing ganyan eh, diba? Lalo na pagkabataan, mapusok, diba? And andyan ng galit, di ba? Nagalit ka dahil kasi nakita mo dinidiskartehan ng kaibigan mo yung girlfriend mo. So ano nangyari? Away kayo, nagsuntukan kayo, baka mapukpok mo pa ng bato or magkasakitan kayo na maigi. Hirap na magkabalikan yan or magkasalitaan kayo ng mga hindi magandang salita. You and your girlfriend, you and your boyfriend, and the relationship is damaged. And mahirap ng balikan. Yun lang guys. Let us be more aware with our decisions. Whenever a major decision or a major pag-isipan mo, atras ka muna. Take a step back and think to yourself, itong text ba na to, masasaktan na maigi itong mahal ko sa buhay? And if I do that, and you know, what will be the result, di ba? Ito bang action na gagawin ko, you know, like maybe sa init ng ano, di ba, ng libog or lust, di ba? Is it the right thing for me to do this thing, di ba? Ano ang pwedeng mangyari from this? Because usually pag ganyan, later on may nangyari na hindi maganda as a result of what you did, matindi ang sisi eh. And I am such a great example for that. Been there, done that. Dami kong self, you know, accountability, guys. That's one of the things that we have to be aware of. Yung accountability natin sa sarili natin, sa buhay natin, sa future natin, sa mga taong nagmamahal sa atin, sa mga taong naapektuhan dahil sa decision natin. We have to be aware of those things. And of course, not only that, we have to be accountable also to God. Those who know me, hindi naman ako sobrang religious or whatever, but I prefer, you know, that's my spiritual preference to refer to, you know, the Creator, no? And whatever religion we have, even the universe, even if you don't have a religion, we have to know the law of cause and effect, di ba? Because lahat ng decision natin, lahat ng choice natin sa buhay, may epekto yan eh. So the thing is, if you are not accountable to yourself, you are not accountable to the people who depend on you, the people who love you, the people who care for you, the people who will be hurt because of your decision, of your bad decision, you're setting yourself up for a lot of hardship and heartache. Okay? Masakit, masakit, masakit. And it can be a financial decision, it can be a business decision, it can be a sexual decision, it can be a relationship decision. The thing is, dapat aware tayo always that hindi yung bahala na si Batman. Hindi eh, because yung mga ganyang mga situation that we let ourselves go, we let ourselves do something nang hindi pinag-isipan, diyan nagkakaroon ng, di ba? Maliit na butas, lumalaki. Konting gusot, dumadami, di ba? Some decisions will affect your lives. Not only your life, but the lives of you, your loved ones, your family, your friends, your partner. When you make that decision, that changes everything. And then later on, makakapag-isip ka na lang, dapat hindi ko ginawa ito. That is one of the most, yung regret, the pain of regret, pag-isipan natin. So, yun lang guys. I hope you like my message tonight. And muulan and I just got home. So, I hope this message gave us something to think about. And hopefully, yung mga tao dyan ngayon na are in a crossroads or hindi nag-iisip sa decision ninyo, mag-isip muna kayo. Yun lang guys. Bye-bye for now and much love and God bless.